We recently had a case that went all the way through trial. And so we've spent 2 years with this person, getting to know her claims and getting to know her case, getting to know her child, getting to know her family, and then spending 3 weeks with her at trial and getting a verdict that made her whole. And we're talking, and we received a nice letter. I received a handwritten thank you note from her about what the firm meant to her. And when I look back at the firm, I think when you look for an attorney that can represent you, I think it's important that you look for a firm that can take care of you from the day that they pick up the phone call all the way through the end. Now, not all cases end in a verdict. Not all cases go to a jury. A lot of cases settle. But if you're looking to hire a law firm, I'd encourage you to look at least these factors. One, do they focus on California labor and employment law? Is that what they focus in on? Is that what they spend researching and is that their expertise? That include both workers' compensation, it can include wrongful termination, include retaliation, and include labor law issues. Is what the purpose of the firm there to exist is to represent employees and only employees. The next issue is, in addition to that, do they have that expertise? Do they have the resources? Does the firm have the ability to go the entire way? Do they have the attorneys that can be put on a case to match the firepower of the defense? That if we need attorneys in 2-3 different places or in 2 or 3 different states at one time, you have the ability to do that. If they need depositions in Florida, that it doesn't stretch the firm to get out to California or to get out to Florida to go do a deposition. If you want 10 people deposed, that you make sure that the law firm has the ability to fund that litigation, so it's not a burden on you. The last issue is whether or not they're actual trial attorneys. You'd be surprised how many times people hire an attorney only to find out, or maybe never to find out, that the attorney never tried the case. And that when push comes to shove, the main factor as to whether or not you should take the case is the fact that the attorney realizes he's in or she is in over her head. So make sure that you have the expertise that can take the case the minute it walks in all the way to the end. If you have any questions about the process, about the selection of attorney, I'm always happy to discuss those issues. Feel free to give us a call and I'll answer any questions you may have.